Hi, my name is Mackenzie Deal. I'm a paramedic student at NDSCS in Fargo, and this is going to be an informative video on the basics of the human heart. So first we're going to talk about some basic anatomy of the heart. The heart, contrary to popular belief, is not actually shaped like a heart. The heart is actually a fist-sized cardiac muscle that has specialized cells in it, cardiac cells, that make the heart beat. So, the heart contains two atria, two ventricles, and valves that separate it in between. So this is an atria. This will be the right atrium. This is also an atrium. This is the left atrium. These are the valves. Here's the ventricle. And here's another one. This would be the right, and this is the left. So now that we know some basic anatomy of the heart, we're going to talk about arteries versus veins. Arteries go away from the heart. Veins go into the heart. When a person does work, they create deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood needs to go into the heart to go to the lungs and then go out into the body again once it's been oxygenated. So, deoxygenated blood is represented by this blue person and will be represented by a blue line. The blue deoxygenated blood goes into the heart via a vein and goes into the right atrium. It then goes into the right ventricle. Once it reaches the right ventricle contracts really strong and goes into a pulmonary vein, which goes to the lungs. Then, once it's been oxygenated, it comes back from the lungs and goes into a pulmonary artery, which then goes into the left atrium, the left ventricle, and goes through the aorta, a big artery that goes all the way through the body with the oxygenated blood. So next we're going to talk about the nervous system of the heart. The heart has different nodes in it that control contractions of the heart. The SA node, this node, controls the contraction of the atria. So, stimulation comes through the brain and goes to the SA node. The SA node then stimulates the contraction of the atria. Then, the stimulation or electrical signal goes to the AV node. The AV node then stimulates the bundle of His and then stimulates the right and left bundle branches, which stimulate the Purkinje fibers. The Purkinje fibers stimulate the muscle contraction of the ventricles. This all happens very fast, which causes the heart to do the lub-dub beat of the heart. So now that we've talked about the anatomy of the heart and the nervous system of the heart, we can define the differences between mechanical and electrical signals of the heart. The mechanical signals of the heart, or the mechanical portion of the heart, I should say, is the portion that actually does the work. The muscle of the heart and the cells of the heart working together to cause a contraction. The electrical signals of the heart come from the brain and stimulate the SA node and AV node to cause the contraction of the heart muscle. Thank you for watching my short informational video on the anatomy and physiology of the heart. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.